So, in this video, we're going to take a look at creating the DAO services and the controller for command service. And let me add some packages. We'll get a repository, and, and this will be containing an interface. Comment. Wait, let me just copy paste. Should be copy. This will be comment repository. Cancel. Comments. I don't want any posts in here. This is okay. And then we'll take DAO package TAO and paste this. Wait, let me just check. And so what we need over here is first we need to decide what all uh, what all paths we need, right? And we add a controller saying comment. Oh, wait, let me copy this, paste it, and call this as comment controller. Okay, cancel. So first, we don't need to get all the comments. We only need to get comments based on post ID. So get all comments related to a post ID. So this will be post ID. And this will be a common DDO. This will be a list of comment DDO. Wait a minute. Let me call this collection. Yeah. Of comment DTO. And this will be post ID. Get comments by post ID. Path variable will be post ID. And we'll add a service to that. And what else we need? We want all the comments based specified by a user. So with the same thing, we'll go over here by get all the comments by user ID. And this will be comment collection of comment DTO get comments by user ID. And this will go in here. And we need to add a comment based on a user ID and a post ID. So we delete a comment by ID. This is okay. Delete comment. So for this, we need the user ID and the post ID as well. This will be post ID. This will be a user ID and a post ID. Slash post ID. Does comment DTO has user associated with it? Yes. So in that case, just need a comment ID and delete comment based on comment ID. What else? You got update a comment. So that will be again a comment ID. Request path variable comment ID. Comment DTO. Comment DTO. Eh, So you got get all posts. We don't need this. Get all the comments based on post ID. Get all the comments by user ID, and get the uh, delete by comment ID. And this will be, let's call it ID. We got update a comment based on ID. Mm, Let me check what have we done for updating. So you don't need a path variable. You specify everything within the comment DTO and get load. Okay. So this is responsible for generating a random, getting a random comment. Okay. And this is for generating a, you got comment DDO, add a random comment, and this will be get a random comment. Uh, yeah, you got the controllers, but we still need to update the service and the DAO based on this. So we'll take a look at that in the next video. Thanks.